Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi everybody, welcome to this small little press conference hosted by Mr. Shashi and Mr. Gondia, and happy to be here to answer all your questions and address all your queries. So what you had said is what kind of courses we have. We have, I think, we've divided the entire so far curriculum into 6 categories of courses, which is into cinema, photography, event management, advertising, fashion management, and fashion personality development. So under this 6 courses, we'll be teaching and giving a lot of knowledge to the budding artists, budding students who want to open up their career in these kind of domains. We would see our best so that we train them, and where we train them so best that they can go and create a career out of that. As far as the careers and the fees of such curriculum or topics or courses, that would be devised and maintained and developed as per the areas, and every different city or state would be having different curriculum based on the requirement of that particular state and city, and so would be the cost. So the cost will be devised and tailor-made. And the most important thing out here, what I would suggest is the cost is not only about we asking them any fees or expecting them to pay that kind of fee, but we are also giving them that support and help in providing students loans, in making it easy for even the medium group or the poor people who want to come and explore their career into these kind of courses, by helping them get funds, so that those funds which we help them to get them can be used for the fee structures and courses fees. So these are little few things that we are planning to do, and we're planning to see where we can be a part in the growth and the journey of the students who aspire to become some great personalities in cinema, photography, or event management. So, can you repeat that question again? What are you expecting out of
What are
Fashion
you
TV?
expecting the achievements from the FTV, and as you are going to launch in South Delhi, so what are your expectations from the South?
See, I've heard like South Delhi is supposed to be one of the most upcoming and most posh or most well-deserved area for a brand like Fashion TV to come and express and put up footsteps there. And that's the reason we are coming in South Delhi. Our first institute would be there, where the demographic of the area matches with the mentality of our brand, where people would want to explore such kind of courses and would want to get out of the usual being a doctor or being an engineer, but then get into courses which can get them jobs and make them big celebrities. So that is the reason, this is our expectation when we are saying, when you want to know what are we expecting, because we are expecting like-minded people who believe in getting into these kind of courses, and who would want to make careers out of them in these kind of faculty. So, and that is the reason we have chosen South Delhi to make our first center. And believe me, I believe Mr. Gondia would do a great job creating a very good center which matches the brand ethos of our brand Fashion TV.
And all the micro entrepreneurs who aspire to associate themselves with a brand like this, and of course, like, we are inviting all the micro entrepreneurs who are willing to launch their business and they want to help the new talent in India. So yeah, of course, but the details we cannot share yet, like what other people can talk. But yes, as Mr. Kasif said, that the mentality of the crowd in South Delhi matches with the ethos of the brand. So that was the natural fit for us. That was.
We see some COVID getting over, and we are back in action to make our first center come back in a great launch. And yeah, I hope we get out of this. As much as you are much in trouble, so am I as much in that trouble. We're all in the same ship. And the good thing is that we see this going, and we see all our businesses getting back on track. So, yeah, and as a brand, as you said, it's such a huge, big, famous brand. A brand like this will never face any.
समय है, वक्त के साथ चलना चाहिए और अपने बच्चों को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए सोचना चाहिए।
Thank you, ma'am.
Fashion TV says something in the domain which it is famous for. I'm sure everybody will take it seriously. Fashion TV and this institute is not creating and curating sportsmen or cricketers or bowlers. It is creating someone where we are famous and which we have been doing for the last 25 years. Ironically or technically or fortunately, this year we celebrate our 25 years of existence in this beautiful globe. And because of our 25 years of existence, we are so confident that whatever we touch in this domain, in this aura, in this universe of fashion and lifestyle, it will be a great success. And anybody associating that with us will be a happy-go-lucky man going back to his bank, laughing, growing economy. Okay, the age group of the youngsters is the largest in the world. So why not India? Technically, if you make a checklist to go into any new market in the world, India stands on the top. That is the reason. So technically, as everybody is doing it, we are also coming to India with great hopes. And because all the checklists out 10 out of 10 favors India.
It's a very big name in the industry of fashion. There is no competitor in front of FTV in fashion. And why people will choose SOPA? People will choose SOPA because they will get international platform so that they can make their careers in any of these fields.
And those kind of people do not mind to take a different route in creating their careers. And that is the reason with this kind of confidence and this kind of little demographic studies that we've chosen South Delhi.
Is FTV thinking any other institute to open in Delhi?
Any other? I don't want to
Any other
discuss.
institute of FTV are to open be in Delhi?
Definitely a lot of institutes, but which locations? Right now, we do not have that. Right now, we are clear about how coming in South Delhi, and eventually we'll come across in South, East, West, Central, North. So that would be our first aim to come into six sectors and 6 regions.
थैंक यू। विमला जी से मेरा एक सवाल है। विमला जी क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे, क्योंकि आपने जैसे भी बताया कि अब आप मतलब घर वालों को समझना चाहिए कि किस तरीके से आपको आगे बढ़ना है, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे उन बच्चों से कि जो आपके सोपा को ज्वाइन करें और उसके बाद फिर एफटीवी में जो है अपनी जगह बनाए, जैसे कि काशिफ खान पहले भी कह चुके हैं कि एफटीवी उन्हें मौका भी देगा आगे बढ़ने के लिए।
बच्चों से मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि एफटीवी में आए, ये बहुत बड़ा इंटरनेशनल लेवल का प्लेटफॉर्म है। यहाँ से बच्चे पढ़ के जाएंगे तो उनको बाहर जाके कहीं भी वो अपना सर्टिफिकेट दिखाएंगे तो उनको एकदम से नौकरी मिल जाएगी। और एफटीवी के पास अपने भी बहुत सारे जगह हैं, जैसे कि रेस्टोरेंट हो गए, बार हो गया और सैलून वगैरह हो गए, तो उसमें वो निकल के वहाँ पे भी मतलब कोशिश करेगा एफटीवी कि उनको वहीं पे जगह मिल जाए, नौकरी मिल जाए। तो यही है कि बच्चों का इसमें कैरियर उज्ज्वल है, भविष्य उनका उज्ज्वल है। इसमें आज की जो जनरेशन है, अब जो बच्चे हैं वो उनका रुझान इस साइड में ज़्यादा हो गया है, क्योंकि बच्चे इस साइड में आना चाहते हैं टिकटॉक के ज़माने में। ये सब तो ये इंटरनेशनल लेवल का प्लेटफॉर्म है, इस पे बच्चे पढ़ के जाएंगे, कम फीस में पढ़ेंगे और थोड़े छोटे छोटे जो कोर्सेज हैं उनको करके जिसमें उनका इंटरेस्ट होगा अपना वो कामयाब होंगे। इसमें
मिस्टर भैया, मेरा सवाल आपसे तो फोटो इतने बड़े कोविड का इतना सारा कुछ हो रहा है, लोग अपने घर से नहीं निकलते, तो आप इसको इस चैलेंज को कैसे एक्सेप्ट करेंगे?
सर, हम इसको खोलने की प्लानिंग पिछले 1.5 साल से कर रहे हैं और हम इंतज़ार कर के अब जैसे ही हालत ठीक हुई तो अब हमने इसको खोलने का पूरा मन बना लिया है। अब भगवान के भरोसे और एफटीवी का नाम इतना बड़ा है कि हमारे अंदर हिम्मत आई है और हम चाहते हैं कि अच्छे तरीके से बच्चे आएँ और एडमिशन लें और अपना करियर अच्छा बनाएं इसमें आगे।
क्या गांव के जो बच्चे हैं वो इस इंस्टीट्यूट में अपना करियर बना सकते हैं, क्योंकि उनके पास पैसे का अभाव कम होता है?
सर, लोन की भी फैसिलिटी है इसमें और फीस कोई इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है कि आपको लोन लेना पड़े। 1-1.5 लाख रुपए फीस है, इतना कोई भी आराम से मैनेज कर सकता है, उसको किस्तों में दी जा सकती है। उसके लिए लोन भी हम मुहैया करा रहे हैं, बैंक से बात चलेगी, उसके बारे में बताएंगे।
Alright, a quick piece of trivia. Fashion TV अपने सोपा के साथ ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन कोर्सेज भी अवेलेबल कराता है। ये बहुत सारे कोर्सेज हैं जो ऑनलाइन भी अवेलेबल रहेंगे यदि कोविड प्रो रहता है सब कुछ, यानी कि कोविड वेव आ जाती है और उसके बाद नहीं हो पाता है, तो ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज भी हैं जिसको
Basically, there's no advice and suggestions to anybody. What we can only say, request, is that when you're coming to any of our institute, you come up with an open mind, come to us with something where you know you are going to exploit your talent and your expertise. People who, and aspirant and students and youngsters who would go for such kind of courses would be nothing out of any pressure from their parents. They have to become a doctor or an engineer, but they are coming to these institutes only with that hope that they can exploit their talent to the next level. And that is the reason we would like to make that talent perform on a global platform. And we will be able to do that because we've got that backing in the fashion and lifestyle industries across the globe. And we will be only nurturing and sharpening that talent. At the end of the day, it is every aspirant student's dream to make it big. And we would want that happiness to be shared with us. हम जो courses यहाँ teach कर रहे हैं या सिखा रहे हैं, उनमें हर 6 different type की topics पे हम उनको शार्पन करेंगे, उनको तैयार करेंगे। और ये जो कोर्सेज है वो कोर्सेज आपको अपने जो खूब टैलेंट निखारने का एक जरिया या एक प्लेटफॉर्म बनेगा। तो हम ये 6 कोर्सेज के थ्रू उनके करियर को निखारने की कोशिश करेंगे। ये बात ये जो आप पूछने जा रहे थे कौन से कोर्सेज हैं, ये 6 कोर्सेज हैं। और रही बात अट्रैक्शन टुवर्ड्स द स्टूडेंट्स, लोन्स, करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, जॉब्स, ये 3-4 चीज़ जो बेहद मायने रखती है एक स्टूडेंट के लिए जब वो अपनी एडमिशन लेता है, तो हम उनको पहले ही उसका सोल्यूशन देने की कोशिश करते हैं। अगर आप आते हो तो अगर आपके पास कुछ पैसों की दिक्कत हो तो हम आपको एक लोन का अरेंजमेंट करके उसको एक EMI में बदल कर आपको हम सपोर्ट करें सो दैट यू कैन कम एंड लर्न विद अस। अगर आपके पास दूसरा टैलेंट है, आप बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त एक्टर है, बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त सिंगर है, या कोई भी आपके पास जो टैलेंट है उसको हमें जो भी लगता है कि उसे दुनिया के प्लेटफॉर्म पे दिखाना चाहिए, तो हम उसको स्कॉलरशिप देते हैं, वो हम हमारे खर्चे पे उनको ग्लोबल प्लेटफॉर्म पे देते। तो ये 2-3 चीज़ जो है जो हम देना चाहते हैं वो शायद ही कोई स्किल डेवलपमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट देता है। इसके अलावा जो ब्रांड जो हमारा है वो दुनिया में काफ़ी फेमस है और उसकी वजह से हम सोचते हैं कि देयर विल बी लॉट ऑफ अट्रैक्शन जो है आकर्षण, ब्रांड आकर्षित करेगा लोगों को हमारे साथ जुड़ने में।